In the world of automotive rules, we often assume that traffic laws are designed purely for safety and efficiency. But across the globe, there are some vehicle-related regulations that are so strange, so unconventional, that they almost sound made up. Yet surprisingly, many of these laws are still enforced today, making drivers wonder if they're actually real. Let's start in the United Kingdom. In rural areas, drivers are required to stop and give way to livestock crossing the road. While that may sound reasonable, the unusual part is that failing to do so can actually result in penalties. Imagine a modern sports car being forced to wait patiently as a group of cows casually strolls across the road. Moving over to the United States, specifically Alabama, there's a law that sounds almost like a joke. It is illegal to drive while blindfolded, even temporarily. While it seems obvious, this rule reportedly came from real incidents where people attempted dangerous stunts behind the wheel. In Japan, there's a rule that is both unique and surprisingly considerate. Drivers can be fined if they splash water onto pedestrians while driving through puddles. So if you speed through a wet street and drench someone walking by, you could face legal consequences. In the Philippines, there's a policy known as the number coding scheme. This regulation restricts vehicles from being used on certain days based on their license plate numbers. While it helps reduce traffic congestion, it can feel strange knowing your car is effectively banned from the road on specific days. Now let's head to Denmark. Before starting your car, drivers are legally required to check underneath the vehicle to ensure no children are hiding there. It may sound unusual, but it's a rule designed to prevent tragic accidents. In Germany, a country famous for its autobahn with no general speed limit, there's a surprising rule. Running out of fuel on the highway is considered a punishable offense. Authorities see it as driver negligence, meaning you must always plan your fuel stops carefully. Over in Thailand, there's a law stating that drivers must wear proper clothing while operating a vehicle. Technically, driving shirtless can be considered illegal. So even in hot weather, you're expected to remain properly dressed behind the wheel. This next one is actually shocking. And finally, in Russia, driving a dirty car can get you fined, especially if your license plate is obscured by mud or dust. So neglecting to wash your car isn't just about appearance, it can actually become a legal issue. Looking at all these unusual rules, it's clear that every country has its own unique approach to road safety. Some laws seem funny, some make perfect sense, and others are simply unexpected. But ultimately, they all exist for one main reason: to keep people safe on the road.